Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Renpho scale to Samsung Health. First, make sure your Renpho scale is already paired and actively syncing data with the Renpho app. Once confirmed, open the Renpho application on your smartphone. You'll then want to locate and tap on the Me tab, usually found at the bottom right of your screen, to access your personal settings and integration options. From the Me tab, proceed by tapping on the Settings icon, which often looks like a gear. Within the Settings menu, you'll find an option labeled Data Source or Third-Party Apps. This is where you manage connections to other health platforms. Tap on this to reveal a list of available integrations, preparing you for the next step in linking your data. Now, from the list of third-party applications, locate and select Samsung Health. The Renpho app will then prompt you to grant specific permissions for data sharing. It's crucial to allow all requested permissions to ensure a complete and accurate transfer of your body composition data. Confirm this authorization to establish the connection and begin the synchronization process. Finally, open your Samsung Health application to verify the connection. Navigate to the Weight or Body Composition section within the app. You should now see your Renpho scale measurements, such as weight, body fat percentage, and muscle mass, appearing automatically. This confirms a successful integration, allowing your health data to flow seamlessly between both applications for comprehensive tracking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.